Okay, hello, my students. How are you today?
Fine, teacher. Hello.
Okay, it's a pleasure
Bien.
to see you today. Okay, just let me share my screen first, okay? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank
Yes.
you, thank you. So, okay. Wait. Okay, the topic of today is farm animals, okay? Do you know the meaning of this word? Just let me this word. No? Anybody?
Granja.
Okay, that's right. That's right. The meaning of this word of farm in Spanish is granja. And what about animals? It's easy. This word is easy.
Animales.
That's right. So the topic of today in Spanish is
Animales de granja.
that's right. Thank you. Thank you, Domenica. Okay. So to start the class, just let me. Okay, some questions, okay? Okay. Are you there, Domenica?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal. Teacher, how do you say conejo?
Conejo. Okay, in English, conejo says rabbit. Okay, can you repeat it?
Yes, my favorite animal is the rabbit.
Okay, rabbit, that's right. So what about Diego? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the pig.
Okay, the pig, that's right. But in Spanish, what it means pig?
Cerdo.
Cerdo, that's right.
Cerdo.
Finally, another one, the last person, Naomi. Naomi, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The same question. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the dog.
The dog, okay. But in Spanish, it means?
Perro.
Okay, perro. That's right. Thank you, Naomi. Thank you, Mr. Okay. But don't forget that the topic of today is farm animal. Do you remember the meaning of farm?
Granja.
That's right, granja. So, in my case, my favorite farm animal are horses. Why? Because they are wonderful and strong enough for transportation, okay? Wonderful and strong enough for transportation. And also because they are beautiful and intelligent animals. So, do you agree, Domenica? Horses are beautiful animals, yes or no?
Yes, teacher, they are beautiful.
Okay, Sonia, what do you think? Horses are intelligent animals? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you, Sonia. So my favorite farm animal are horses. Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's review some farm animals. Okay, first, okay. First, what about cow? Can you see the first picture, the first animal? What do you think, Domenica? It means in Spanish. Can you see the picture?
Yes, es una vaca.
That's right, vaca. Okay. So, will you tell me, please, what type of song that vaca does?
Mu.
That's right, moo. Okay. Let's continue with chicken. Okay. What do you think, Naomi? In Spanish, chicken means?
Pollito.
That's right. So continue to another one, Sonia. Sonia, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
What about sheep?
Is oveja.
That's right, oveja. That's all, okay. So first you have vaca, sorry, cow, that means in Spanish vaca. Chicken means in Spanish pollito, and finally sheep means in Spanish oveja, okay? That's all, that's all. Let's continue with another animals, okay? Now here we have, okay, rabbit. What do you think, Diego? What do you think rabbit means in Spanish?
En español es conejo.
That's right, conejo. Conejo. Here we have another animal, pig. What about pig? And let me see, Camila.
It's cerdo.
Okay. Do you know what type of sound that a pig does?
Oink.
Oh, that's right. Thank you. What about hen? Domenica, are you there?
Hen could be gallina.
That's right, gallina. Gallina. Okay. And finally, here we have again horse. Do you remember this animal in Spanish?
Caballo.
That's
Caballo.
right, caballo.
Caballo.
Okay. Caballo. Okay, that's all. Thank you, my students. Okay. Here we have the last animals. Okay. Could you tell me, please, Domenica, what about dog? In Spanish?
Dog es
It's
perro.
easy. That's right. Perro. What about rooster, Diego?
En español es gallo.
That's right. Gallo. What about duck? Camila.
Pato.
That's right. But and finally, here we have guinea pig. What do you think it means? Guinea pig. Sonia.
Conejillo de India.
That's right. Conejillo de Indias. But in Ecuador, it has a special name. Okay. Do you remember?
Cuy.
That's right. Good. In Ecuador. That's right. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's do some activities, my students. Okay. Right now, here we have. Which, okay, first listen and then answer, okay? First listen, students. Which of these is a farm animal, okay? ¿Cuál de estos es un animal de granja? What do you think, Domenica? It could be a
The
turtle.
rabbit.
Yes, the rabbit, that's right. You're so intelligent, okay? Thank you, Domenica. Okay, let's continue. So what is this animal? What do you think, Naomi? It could be a cow, or a chicken? No? What do you think?
I think that is a horse.
Yes, that's right. It's a horse. Good job, thank you, Naomi. Okay, Diego, are you there? Okay,
Yes.
look this question. What animal produce eggs? What do you mean eggs? This word.
The chickens.
No,
Chicken.
yeah, okay. What this word means? Huevos, that's right. So
Eggs.
okay, thank you. The correct answer is,
Chicken.
are you sure?
Hens. It
Ah,
is
hen.
hen.
Sorry,
Yes.
hen.
That's right. Thank you, Domenica.
Hen.
Okay. So let's see another. Okay. Which of these farm animals give us milk? What is the meaning of milk first? Okay. What is the meaning of milk?
Leche.
This word. Okay. Leche. So raise your hand. Raise your hand. Let me see. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay. Which of these farm animals give us milk? ¿Cuál de estos animales nos da leche? Okay, tell me, Naomi. It could be a pig.
No, the goat.
That's right, the cow. The goat. Thank you, Naomi. Finally, what about this? What is this animal? What do you think, Sonia?
Oveja.
What in
Sheep.
English?
Sheep.
That's right, sheep. Don't forget it. Sheep. That's right. Thank you, Sonia. Okay, finally, students, finally. Let me share. Okay, good job, students. Just let me share the task, okay? Don't forget that we always have a homework, okay? So here we have the homework. I will just first listen. I will send you the link of this worksheet on the chat, okay? Yo les voy a enviar el link de este worksheet en el chat para que usted pueda hacer su tarea, okay? So look, here we have, find these animals, okay? Do you remember the first animal? Chicken in Spanish means?
Pollito.
Pollito, okay? So what we have to do? We have to, for example, chicken. Anybody of you? So, for example, here we have another one, okay? A horse,
Y
okay?
el tercero.
Horse, it could be horse, we have horse. This one, okay, horse. Do you remember the meaning of horse in Spanish?
Caballo.
That's right. And also here we have chicken, okay, chicken. That means in Spanish, pollito, okay? That's all. That's all that you have to do, okay? For your homework. And then here we have a crossword, and you have to write here all the names, okay? The first is
Chicken.
Chicken.
That's right. Look. Chicken. Okay, do you understand the homework? Do you understand what do you have to do? Yes or
Yes,
no?
teacher.
Okay, don't forget that I will
Yes.
send you the link, okay, on the chat. And you have to do your homework until Friday, okay? Until Friday, hasta el día viernes, ¿sí? Hasta el día viernes usted tiene que hacer su tarea, usted sabe que tiene que realizar su tarea y enviarla al classroom, okay? And that's all, mis chicos, okay? So thank you for your attention. Thank you for coming to my class, and that's all. And that's all. Let me, okay. So that's all, that's all.
My teacher.
Okay,
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah, you can
Hi,
leave the
teacher.
class right now. You can leave the class.
Teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Thank you. See you the next week. Take care. See you. Bye, bye. Bye,
Thank
Camila.
you.
Bye, Domenica.
Bye.